Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of the Rugged Medicine YouTube channel. Apologies, it's been a while since I've done a video, so today I thought I'd start off with a quick and easy one, which is a little gear review. This is the Gober made by OLIGHT. It's a kit marker and signaling device in case of emergency or for activities like hiking, running, mountaineering, or even just to keep in your bag in case you need some emergency lighting solution to point people in the right direction. So we're going to open up the box and I'm going to show you what's in the box, what this device can do, what's good about it, what's not so good about it, and then you can make up your own mind if that's a good piece of kit to purchase. So let's get on with it. So here we have the box. It comes in a tiny little cardboard box. It's made by OLIGHT. This is the Gober Safety light. It comes as a single device and a single flashing unit. I'll explain in a bit what that means. And recently OLIGHT had a promotion where you got this for £0 or $0, and the only thing you had to pay for was postage of about $5.95, $5.99, something of that sort. Now these promotions come up all the time, so this wasn't a once-off event. So I'll put a link in the description to the OLIGHT store, and I'm sure they will come up again soon. Halloween's deals coming up. There is Black Friday, of course, coming up, and various others I'm sure they're going to run. So in this box, what's in there? Well, as always, it comes with a manual. It comes with a USB charging cable. So this is USB to USB-C because it's got a USB-C inlet to recharge the internal battery. It comes with a clip that fits through molly webbing or belt or pocket or any other clips on bags or clothing. And it comes with a light itself. Now the light itself is very low profile, and on the back here you can see, as I'm tilting it in the light, there's a USB inlet. And this USB inlet on the side here is where it does get its charge from. So you can charge this from a power bank, from a cell phone charger, from a computer, and then this will give you a decent amount of runtime. I think it is in the region of 20 odd hours. Let me just check. 28 hours maximum runtime is what the box indicates. And I don't know if that's true yet. I haven't tried it to the full capacity, but apparently that is it. Just pushing the rubber gasket back in. Now this thing comes with a pocket clip, and that pocket clip is simply just a push in and rotate type of device. And here we actually come to a pro and a con. The good thing is it's very easy to assemble. It comes with a pocket clip that fits perfectly into molly webbing. The bad thing is that this clip is very loose. It doesn't require any force. So I'm worried I'm going to actually lose this light if I have it on my bag or clothing. So I did actually mention this to OLIGHT support after I'd purchased it, and they'd acknowledged it and said they would pass it on to the product team. Now I don't know if anything's going to come of that, but it just might. You never know. So, but what am I going to do about this? Because if I'm going to lose it anyway, even though I only paid for postage, I don't like losing gear. So the fix that I did is very, very simple. I simply went to the bathroom, got a bit of dental floss, and I took the dental floss, because remember this is water resistant, and I simply wrapped it around the actual section or mounting system or whatever you want to call this. So just around it, this is maybe 6 or 8 inches, and then if you take the clip and pop it in, now it's nice and firm. You just trim the ends off with scissors and then it works perfectly fine. So this is my cheap little 5 cent fix for this loose connection for now. There was no point in gluing this on, which is what I considered, but because the USB port over here actually gets partially blocked, there's really no way of charging it without removing the clip. So that wasn't an option. So what functions does it have? Well, first of all, the switch is in the center here and it controls all the functions. So a long hold and it comes on with a steady light. If you then push it once, it changes it to green, pushing it again to blue, then to white, and then to a flashing color combo. Now the advantage, of course, having red and clear means you can put it on the front or on the back of equipment, clothing, running vest, whatever you're using it for. And if that's not a specific purpose and you just want to use it as a marker, of course, you can just select any of the other colors. Now, the other advantage is if you don't just want the solid light to use it to read a map, for example, or to quickly point the way, you can double click it, and then it turns into a slow flash, and you can then cycle through the actual modes just like you did before. Which is very practical. And then, of course, the blue, white, and green, where it alternates, is not flashing because it was already flashing. So double tap it, and we're back in the solid light. Now, as an emergency warning device, there's something else you can do, and that is you can triple press, and then it will actually transmit SOS in Morse code. 1, 2, 3. So it's short, 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 which is S, 3 times long, which is the letter O, and then 3 short flashes again, which is letter S. So SOS. So for emergency, you could take this kit marker, you can connect it, you can put it in a point in a direction where it's facing, where somebody might be looking towards, or if you can put it on a visible post and then get back into your shelter or in your hiding spot in order to actually use this as an SOS marker. Getting back out of it is a double press again. There you go. So triple press to get in it and then double press to get out of it. And then you can just switch back to whichever light color you want to use. Now, how do you switch it off? Just a long hold of the button and it is back off. So it's got a few good features. Only time will tell if this thing will actually last. I hope they fixed the little flaw that required the use of some dental floss in this case, but I'm sure other techniques work as well. And if you want to stick it into a little plastic clear pouch, of course, that would negate the use or the requirement to change this actual clip. Once I've used this for a while, I'll probably make an updated video, but this gives you a first look into what it's actually like. And if you're wondering how bright this actually is, well, this is the light on white mode, steady light, and it's shining around the entire room. And it's definitely enough to find your way around, and will definitely be good as an emergency light source. USB rechargeable, so you can recharge it from a power bank. So overall, this appears to be quite a worthwhile kit marker or emergency light. Well, all that remains for me to say is thank you very much for watching another Rugged Medicine video here on YouTube. We are approaching 300 subscribers, which is really amazing. So I just wanted to say thank you very much for everybody that's watching. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.